Hey guys, so if you've been living under a rock and you don't know what a shrinker stretcher is, pay attention because I'm going to show you exactly what they do and why you probably need one in your shop. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so shrinker stretchers, what do they do? Well, just that. They either shrink metal or they stretch it. And where would you find something like that? Let's say you're doing a patch panel. Right here we have a patch panel in the works. Imagine this thing is a trunk gutter, a windshield channel, door frame. You're either going to shrink or stretch whether you want this piece to arc this way or arc this way. If you arc this way, you are stretching this. If you want it to arc that way, you are shrinking it, bunching or stretching metal. So let's dive into the shrinker and you can see exactly how the jaws accomplish that, either shrinking or stretching. Check it out, come in here. Basically, every time you actuate the handle, you are moving the jaws inward. What that does is it grips on the piece and pulls it together. It is shrinking metal into itself. And by doing that, it's going to pull the piece this way and create a curve. So, as you can see, pretty quickly, we started shrinking the metal and getting the piece to curve that way. So again, that'll follow the curve of whatever you're patching, whether it be a windshield channel, door frame, etc. So let's do the opposite of this piece. Let's move over to the stretcher and show you how that works. Look at that. Pretty quickly, we stretched the material, and now we have a curved patch panel. So be careful. Again, you're stretching material, so depending how thin it is, you could tear this, and then you're starting all over again, and you're not a happy camper. So those are two very common applications for a shrinker stretcher. One area you might not think of to use this is, say, if you're making a roughed-in motorcycle fender. We had this cut out. We used a mallet and a sandbag, and we got it pretty far. We got some good shape to it, but one thing you will realize is now we have these ripples on this edge. And the best way to get rid of those ripples is to shrink the material and help form it back into a conform piece. So let's see how that works. Nice, super easy. So as you can see, we shrunk those ripples and they're virtually gone. So obviously continue around the perimeter and you're that much closer to a custom fender. So again, the shrinker stretcher and base plate combo, super convenient to have in the shop. Mount it up in a vise and it's always there when you need it. So for more information on this combo or other metal fab tools, check out eastwood.com.